Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Certified Bhavah. Hope you are doing well. In continuation to our upskilling journey, today we are going to discuss about one of the avenue via which you can learn various courses related to various domain like healthcare, IT, management, business, sales and technology and many more. Friends, if you are interested to upskill, you can opt for these courses as per your interest and you can go for it. These courses are divided in two different parts. They are segregated as a diploma courses and one is certification courses. Diploma you can do by attending these courses, and after completion of the assessment test you will be given a diploma certificate, which is again a paid one. But yeah, I will suggest do not go for the paid version. Let it be as a free registered user and avail these courses. Even for certification we have the same thing. You can attempt the course, you can complete the course and the assessment, but if you want any digital certificate or a physical certificate from that organization which is giving this course and curated this course, they are giving this on paid basis. So in fact we don't need that certificate as a whole. If you can do the complete course and that too free of cost, that will be a great thing. So why don't we concentrate to gain knowledge? Instead we are not going to think about the certificate, so but we will complete the whole course as per the given format, and we will try to complete the assessment as well and score at least whatever defined there in diploma course. And in certification course, at least 80% mark is defined as a pass score, so you have to complete and get that score. There are various courses. If you have done diploma in management, in architecture, in civil, in sales and marketing, there are courses. If you want to learn about personal development, you can do personality development course, which is there in the form of certification as well as diploma. So this is very good course and available on lesson.com. Just you need to register, get the license as a free user and try to do as much as you can, because learning is free and we are having a common motto of learning more and more so that we can excel in our career wherever we are. In our organization, if you want to switch outside, you can switch as well. So this is one of the things which we will discuss going further in the video. So be with me till the end. We will discuss all the things which is required and which is given in this portal so that we can move flawless on the next step and we can complete these two different variants. So be with me till the end. Let's get started. So friends, as I told that this portal, I will give the link of the portal in the description box. You can just go register yourself. You will be called as a free license user, and that way you can search any diploma and any certification course according to your wish and then go for it. First, you need to find out which domain you are into. If you are in healthcare, better to search for healthcare certification. If you are from other background but you want to gain knowledge in some different background, suppose personality development is needed for each and every domain. Whether you are in IT, healthcare, business, anyone need personality development. You can go for those kind of certification courses, attend what they are telling, what is the content, and these contents are curated and created by topmost organization at tech portals. We have Python related data science course which is created by NPTEL. So that is a organization which create free courses, and that is endorsed and created by IITians. So they want all the people, learners, to be learned, and they want to give and impart knowledge to everyone. So that's why they have listed here. You take advantage of it. Not only that, we have analytics course, we have Python programming, R programming, and there are many more. You cannot count about that, and you cannot think about that. Just go and attend these courses. Do not think and worry about the certificate. That's fine. But if we gain knowledge and pass the assessment, it will give very good exposure to it, and it will give very good experience to appear for next interview and also to scale up in the ladder of the organization where we are working. So this is one thing which I wanted to always emphasize. Try to learn more and more and implement the things in your organization as well, so that we can grow. And at the same time, when you are growing, you will get a better perk pay option also. So money will follow when you are going and when you are attaining success in any of the field. For freshers, this platform can be very much beneficial, because to set your foot anywhere, to settle down anywhere, you need some starters, right? And that way you can find various courses which are acclaimed as a beginners level course. So there are courses which is from IT, especially from the IT background. You can learn Python, you can get started over it, you can learn SQL, you can learn data analytics, you can learn data science, R, anything you can learn. And that way you can gain some good expertise to show that metal, prove your metal in the interview round. And that way you are going to get the offer, and you will sign wherever you go. So just to create the difference among the profiles, you need to go with some kind of new things, and which is not there in others, and that way it will make a difference. Experienced people also, this is very much beneficial. We know the importance of learning, we know the importance of a skill set. So try to increase your skill set by these kind of portal. There is no limitation which portal and which course you are going to follow, but we have to do the courses where we get more and more, and it is clear to us. And this I found that it can be beneficial for yourself. So let's do this. We will do this together. We will try to get the benefit together, and also try to share this with your friends, with your relatives, so that they will also get benefited with it. We will see all the pro forma, all the details and information which is given on the portal when we go next in the video. So in the video we will see how to register, and how you can get all the courses, all the diplomas, what are the various domains which is included, and what would be your strategy to target any particular domain and any particular initial level, beginners level technical courses. Okay, so we will do this together. So let's directly jump over there.
फ्रेंड्स, सबसे पहले alation.com पे आपको रजिस्टर करना है। रजिस्टर करने के लिए आप सिंपली ये साइन अप बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे, आपको इस तरीके का कोई पॉपअप मिल जाएगा। यहाँ पे साइन अप में जाना है और आपको अपना फर्स्ट नेम, सर नेम, ईमेल, पासवर्ड दे के रजिस्टर कर लेना है। रजिस्टर करने के बाद आप सीधा लॉगिन हो जाएंगे अपने अकाउंट में। मेरा ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर्ड है, इसलिए मैं डायरेक्टली लॉगिन कर ले रहा हूँ। लॉगिन करने के बाद कुछ इस तरीके से आपको डैशबोर्ड दिखेगा। यहाँ पे डैशबोर्ड में आपको बहुत सारे कोर्सेज, ये सारे ऑप्शंस दिखेंगे। यहाँ पे सर्च करके आप डायरेक्टली अगर कोर्स जानते हैं तो वो भी सर्च कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो डायरेक्टली आपको यहाँ पे जाना होगा और एक्सप्लोर डिप्लोमा एंड सर्टिफिकेट पे क्लिक करके भी आप देख सकते हैं। So basically this portal is having all the courses and which can be searched from this search box, or directly you need to click on this explore diploma and certificate. Once you click, you will get two options in the course type: diploma courses and certificate courses. Based on your need and interest, you can click on any of it. Like we have courses and certification related to IT, healthcare domain, language domain, personal development, management, and business. And see the number of courses: 1204 courses in business, sales and marketing. We have good courses, engineering and construction, teaching. So whatever domain you are interested in and whatever domain you are from, you can choose that and then go for the training. So I'm currently clicking on the IT. Once you click on IT, you will get the list of diploma and courses. So from here you can see again subject wise segregation. So in IT we have various subjects. If you search any of it, you can get those courses. Suppose I clicked on data science, so you will get all the list of courses which is available under data science. See, these 20 data science courses are listed here, and whenever you will hover on any of the course, you will see which organization or which edtech platform, which company is offering this course and created this course. So introduction to data science is created by channel 9. If you see, if you want to see more detail about it, you can simply go and click on start. Simply by clicking on start topic, you can start the course like this. And each and everything will be explained to you in detail, and the progress you can see on the top. Similarly, here when you go on the topmost panel in the left side, you can see your profile, your learning paths, and that in the dashboard it will be shown that how many certificate you earned, at what level you are, what is your daily frequency of learning, and each and everything you'll be able to see. So this course, let's have a look in some other courses. Machine learning and Python. So you will see these courses here. For the free version, you may feel somewhat painful while attending the course because they publish some ad, and that is the revenue model they have in place. So but you will get a very good course here, and you can learn more about it. So basics of machine learning.
Hey
It
guys,
is
what's going on?
given
This
and
is
created
Caleb with
by this organization,
devslopes.com, and
and you
I am
can learn about it
so
in detail.
unbelievably excited to get
If you want to claim your certificate, if you are completed with the various modules of that course, you can claim the certificate, but that is a paid option. So diploma in data analytics with Python is sponsored and created by NPTEL. So they are offering this course free of cost. Here you will see course detail, and similarly you can do it. More information, if you click on more information, you can see that this course is created and how many hours it covers, how many students is currently enrolled for this, and your publisher. You will have the list of all the modules given here, and you will have similar kind of courses. So all these courses are free of cost, just you need to enroll for it and start learning. And with due course of time, you'll be able to see your progress here directly on the dashboard, and it will show you all the stats related to your progress. So friends, this is it. You can search any kind of course directly from here and do it based on your need. This is a good platform which you can utilize to upskill, and if you do it continuously, then you will see a lot of progress you have gained, and it will create a lot of difference in your profile as well. Freshers, for freshers, it is very much beneficial to gain knowledge, especially on the real time exposure. And these are the platforms, some of the option which you can opt for. It is not a hard fast rule to follow this all only. If you are interested to uh, if you are interested in some other kind of courses, if you are interested in some other portal, then do follow that. But you need to create your own program and follow your learning path. So guys, that's about it. I think it is clear to you. If you get any kind of question about this portal, about the certification and diploma, and which one to go for, you can ask me in comment box. I will give this link in the description box also, so that you can register and you can get started. Please do share with your friends, your family members, if they are learning on various domains. Do share so that they can get maximum of it.
So friends, as we have seen that this portal is very much beneficial. It can be helpful to us, to others, to gain knowledge, to gain expertise, and to upskill ourselves. So let's do it, and let's make a mandate that we will follow this in going future also as much as possible, and we will get knowledge and expertise via it. I hope you like the video. If you like the content and like my work, do hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.